Hello guys, hope you guys are having a great day. So today I want to show you one of my secret drink which I have been taking for a very long time. This drink I have been taking it way back when I was in Cameroon for me to lose weight. So it is something that I have been taking while on my weight loss journey. If you want to lose weight, this is one of the magic drinks. It will make you lose weight. If you're following your diet, you're eating the right things, and you drink this drink, it's going to speed up your weight loss. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using right quick. I'm going to be using pineapple peelings, the back of the pineapple. I'm going to be using the back of the pineapple, not the pineapple fruit itself. I'm going to wash this pineapple, peel it. I'm using the back of the pineapple. It is really great. If there's any way you can get the back of the pineapple in a big quantity, it's very good. So you just make like a big drink, you boil it and keep it in the fridge so you can be taking it all the time. And also you need your tea. I'm using the green tea. You can use whatever green tea that you have to boil the drink. I'll be using this green tea. It is called Ahmad green tea, jasmine green tea. I'll be using this one. I also have the bowl green tea, which I normally use. You can use whatever green tea. So for this one pineapple, I'm going to use two sachets of green tea. First thing, I'll first peel my pineapple. This is what I'm going to be using for the drink. So I'm just going to chop this into small pieces. Hello guys, so this is the peeling, the back of the pineapple. This is what I'm going to use to make my tea, my cleansing tea. So I'm going to be using 1 liter of water. I'm going to be using 1 liter of water for this drink. The more the peeling, the more the amount of water you want to put to make your drink. So I recommend if you can get a bigger quantity of the pineapple peelings and you cook a big quantity, then it will be more preferable. So I'm going to add in 2 sachets of my green tea. I already took out the sticker from the green tea, and on the gas I'm going to cook this drink for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will off the gas, let it cool, and drink it. Normally I don't drink this drink when it's cold. I prefer it hot or room temperature. So that's it guys. So it has been cooking for almost 20 minutes now. I'm just going to off the gas and I will let it cool for some minutes. It looks like this. You can drink it warm or normal room temperature or hot. It's actually like a tea. It is very good. I'm going to recommend this drink for anybody who is trying to lose weight. I am taking this pineapple and my green tea all the time. I tell you, you will see you will get lighter. It is going to speed up and help you in your weight loss process. So I'll just show you when I put it in my cup for me to drink it. I'll show how it looks like. So this is it guys. It is very hot. this is how it looks like. I love to drink it either hot, yeah, not so hot, but I like to drink it when it's hot. So this is it, and you can actually reboil the pineapple peeling with the green tea. You can reboil it. I'll just add in again another 1 liter of water and reboil it again. So this is how it looks like. It's really nice. This is a very great tea. If you have never tried this before, please do, and let me know after you've tried it. You can comment on the comment section down below this video and let me know how it turned out. So thank you guys for watching, and like this video if you think that this video is helpful. Drop your comments down below. And also, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscription button down below this video. To have a great day. God bless you all. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.